Hello, you are welcome to Module 2 of my training titled How to Use Digital Technology in Church 2021. In this Module 2, I will talk about gift card program. What is gift card? How to set up gift card program, step-by-step instructions on how to use gift card to raise funds for ministry. My name is Halade Raphael. I am a software developer. You may be wondering, why does the ministry need gift card program? Module 1 of this training is about digital evangelism. How to reach people in other countries or people with specific profession. Example, business person, etc. If you practice the lesson in Module 1, definitely people from other countries will get in touch with your ministry. These are the questions. What if the audience from other country wants to support your ministry? That's number 1. Number 2, how can you receive gifts, tithes, and offerings online? These border ministries around the world. Many people want to assist ministries, but they don't know how. So, gift card program is a quick answer to these questions. Gift card program is simply success. Many businesses in America, like eBay, Amazon, local restaurants, rely on gift card program. It works even amid the pandemic. So, what is gift card? What is this gift card? It is an electronic card that is loaded with specific amount of money. An electronic card loaded with specific amount of money. Take a look at credit or debit card. This card is loaded with money that can be used online or in business premises. Gift card works the same way as credit or debit card. Gift card program is a decentralized money system, which means that you can print any amount of money that you want. In simple words, gift card is a card that looks and works like an ATM card. The card contains an amount of money that can be used online or in church. So, how to raise funds with gift card program? How can we raise funds with gift card program? For example, your ministry wants to buy a helicopter or wants to construct a medical facility, and you need $500,000 for the project. You can generate and print gift card worth $550,000 in $100, $200, or $500 denomination. It is so simple. You can repeat the process over. Take a look at this gift card. It is an example of what I'm talking about. Fundraising for the construction of our church medical facility. Like, we need $200,000 for the project. Okay, so that's my picture printed on it. ABC Ministry International is in $200 denomination. It has an expiry date, just like credit or debit card. It has 16 digits number. It is the same size as credit or debit card. Those numbers printed on the card are not just random numbers. This is an electronic card. It has a powerful software behind it that manages the card's activity, and it has numerous built-in features. So, the advantages of gift card program. Number 1, it makes fundraising easy and fast. Number 2, it is a free promotion. Imagine your picture printed on everyone's credit or debit card. Number 3, It allows online giving. People can pay tithes and offering with gift card. So, congratulations to you if you understand gift card program. If you want to know more about gift card, you can ask me any question. If you ask question, it means that you are thinking thoroughly. So, in the next module, I will teach you how to promote church events online. If you want to announce an upcoming program, like maybe night vigil, fasting and prayer, or any special program, I will let you know how you can announce it online. Thank you. I will see you again in the next module. My name is Haladi Raphael. See you soon. Thank you.